So I just kind of want to show the capabilities of this little rig, which is kind of insane. The Zoia can do pretty much anything. I'm using one of the default patches here, and I've added some outputs for some gates. I have a pitch out from the sequencer. I have an ADSR that's being gated by the clock on here. I have another pitch out that I'm using to control the CV levels of some of these harmonics here. So I have this in the harmonic oscillator mode going into the MMG and then being into the Zoia to be filtered by the effects. And then another gate out here that I'm using to control the levels of another partials on this harmonic oscillator. And then the ADSR here comes out to control the filter. And I have the pitch going into the pitch of the oscillator. So you can hear right now, this is just Zoia without any of the external stuff. And then I can increase here the filter because I have it going I have the ADSR controlling the filter sweep down. So this is the oscillator from the changes into the MMG. And then you can, mess with it. You control the harmonic. So it's very powerful. And this is just one of the 6 modes available in the external firmwares here, which is kind of crazy. I'm clipping. So this is just the external processing. So yeah, kind of a powerful little rig.